Hello everyone, I want to show you a quick demo of what the platform that Leaders for SC, our middle school civics workshop, will take place on this summer. On the left-hand side, students will have access to all the lectures and activities they'll be required for each day. On the right-hand side, they'll be able to access our research engine, our office hours to meet with our staff, and download any files that we upload, as well as participate in discussions with students from all around the world. When they log into any particular topic, there'll always be an option for a live activity and a recorded activity. During the live activity, they'll be able to see other students and staff that are participating in the activity at the allotted time. If they happen to not be there during the live activity, they can choose to participate in the recorded activity, which will be a different alternative that will teach them the same material. With each recorded activity or live lecture, there'll be exercises that will take place right on the page that allow them to reinforce their learning. Students can then proceed from step to step to make sure that they're progressing through the course at whatever pace that's comfortable for them, whether they're doing it live or pre-recorded.